the six most famous dishes in the Turkish city of Mersin. You will not imagine its delicious taste. Every kitchen in the world has a special feature and flavor that differs from others. And in this video, we will accompany you on a tour of the kitchen of the state of Mersin to show you six dishes of its delicious food. Number 1. Tantuni. You will not eat this food according to its origin, except in the Turkish state of Mersin, as it is special to it. It consists of tender pieces of minced meat or chicken, which are fried on a sage and wrapped in the form of sandwiches with lavash or salmon bread. Number 2. Battery. It consists of fine bulgur and is usually eaten in the summer. It is also called Caesar and can be prepared in the form of soup. Number 3. Mammal. Who among us does not know the mamul that is served on holidays and special occasions and is stuffed with dates, pistachios, or Aleppo, or walnuts, and there are special wooden nor plastic molds to give distinctive shapes to one piece. Number 4. Turkish kebabi. It is very similar to Adana kebab, but what distinguishes it from it is the presence of onion in its ingredients, and you can order it with or without the spicy taste as desired. Number 5. Sikma. It is a famous sweet dish made of sage bread and stuffed with either mashed potatoes, cheese or onions. It is preferable to eat it hot directly on the sheet. Number 6. Karsimbek. It's iced with grape molasses and some ingredients poured over it. It is eaten cold in the summer heat. Central and Eastern Anatolia regions are famous for it.